history of this country is that the whole world is one family. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That means everything on this planet is one family. So, it's such a rare occasion to get people from different parts of this world from an institution of this. And this is the first international event that way for Prayoga. I think this is probably the most sacred duty, and it's an honor for me to welcome all the international guests. Prayoga, as I told you, started as a small activity-based learning exercise to start with, transformed into a research organization. Today, Prayoga works with about 11,000 children, predominantly from the government schools, where the facilities are missing for any experiential learning. Things are taught or science is learned through chalk and talk or through rote memory. What I hear, I forget. What I see, I remember. What I do, I understand is a standard thing we all know. So, learning by doing is extremely important. It's even more important today than ever before. Science is more a way of thinking. Unless we start thinking of the tools, the way you can uncover or unravel the mysteries of nature, we are not able to solve the real life problems. So this kind of exercise, like what has happened, is extremely important in that sense. And apart from this exercise which we are doing for experiential learning for about 11,000 children across the state, other states have also started approaching us and want our support to carry out this mission of educating youngsters to be future ready. In addition, this organization has also been working on a project called Anveshana, where the future scientists have to get introduced to research at a very early age. At the age of 13, 14, they get into the ideas of formal research. They work in these labs with the support of our senior scientists who are picked up from across the globe. You know, people who have worked in Germany, people who have worked in US, people who have worked in the best institutions in the country like ISC, IITs are teaching here. And these are the people who have been mentoring research here at a very early age. In fact, the number of publications which have come from high school students is something which has given us confidence. For example, 11 international publications in peer-reviewed journals has happened from our high school students. This was not the case a couple of years back. And that way, Prayoga is proud. And this occasion to welcome you all also means that you carry this message, carry it to your friends, be it students from anywhere in India or any other country which you represent. Your students can come and do Anveshana kind of research right in the high school. On this occasion, with the help of Professor Orion and Dr. Vikram Vishal, and of course, the well-wishers Kishan, Archana ji, Narayan ji and others, we will also be putting forward more stronger long-term projects. Projects where the earth science education as a theme will be rolled out from here to support not only young students in India, but we should be able to reach out to students across the globe because we have only one planet to survive upon. And I see young students already doing a lot of things like not only studies, authoring books and showcasing the remnants of the past history by way of their collections. I deem it a great privilege for me to welcome all of you and a brief knowledge of what we are doing. We will continue to be associated. Whosoever comes to Prayoga, either for a short time or for an occasional visit, becomes part of the family. So you are all part of the family and we all work towards meeting a greater cause of protecting this planet and spreading the ideas of earth science education. Thank you very much.